Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade BTC USD, US oil and nasdaq 100 on the smaller time frames. But before we go to the smaller time frames, we are going to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. Okay, I'm starting with BTC USD, that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been ranging for some time, and we can see the range spanning across a couple of months. Okay, but for now, Bitcoin is still ranging. Okay, now as the price is ranging, we can see price trying to break this triangle. Okay, as price tries to break the triangle, we have this resistance or this order block at the top around here that might serve as resistance. We also have possible resistance around this area, and Bitcoin might be targeting 27920 level for now as price tries to rise. Okay, a break of this particular range top could see price getting to 27920 for now. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see the candle, this long candlestick, quite longer than the rest of the candle on the left side, showing the power of the bulls. The bulls are stepping in, and as that candlestick is formed, as this very candlestick is formed, you can see price leaving another block, a support that might give the buyer some impetus as try to push price to the 27920 level. Okay, we also have another order block here that could serve as a resistance to price by the sellers. Okay, the price gets or penetrates this particular order block, it could descend a bit before going up. And don't forget, on the daily time frame, we have this other order block, okay, at the 29331 area that could also serve as a resistance to price. But for now, the price of Bitcoin is trying to break the range top, and with this candlestick, it's advisable that you place buy trade for now. All right, looking at the 1-hour time frame, we have a break of this particular structure. I'm talking about the 27271 level that's been broken by price, and price is trying to retest that level. After retesting, if we can find a bounce, we can possibly buy BTC USD. On the 30-minute time frame, we can see price first of all descending, giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, until we now have a change of structure and then a change of character where we start to have a high, a low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Of course, we might see something like higher low, then we might have higher high. Okay, but if price is going to drop, we have this order block within the order block around here that could serve as support for price to pick up pace to the upside. On the 15-minute time frame, we can look at the price of Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame. Let's try and find. On the 15-minute time frame, we can see that the price of Bitcoin is trying to form a top, but as it forms the top, we have order block around this area, this 27028 area, which might serve as support for price to continue its upward direction. And we also have another order block around the 26884 area that could serve as support to price. But for now, look for buying opportunities for BTC USD. You can see we have like a dome, like a top being formed on the 5-minute time frame, and the sellers are stepping in, but overall direction is bullish for now. On the 1-minute time frame, we can also see that the sellers are able to drive the price of BTC USD down for some time, and the bulls are trying to step in. You might wait for the bulls to push price to the top before you join the buyers. but the overall direction for now is bullish. Okay, as price prints high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So it's a bullish structure. You might want to jump in on the bullish trend. Okay, that's that for BTC USD. Let's look at US oil. What do we have? US oil have been ranging on the daily time frame. Looking at this particular pin bar, bullish pin bar for yesterday's candlestick, we might want to consider buying US oil for now. Considering the pin bar that we had yesterday, we might consider buying US oil for now. But if we look at the range, we've been registering this is a high, higher low, this is a high, higher lows. We've been having higher lows. This low here is higher than this low, and it's higher than this low. So we might see price push to the top. Okay, but if price pushed to the top, we have this particular order block around here. I'm talking about the 75.027 level could serve as resistance to price. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? We can see like a triple top. This is the top, this is another top, and possible top around there. But if this fails and continues up, you might see price going to this order block on the 4-hour time frame. That's the 5.20 level. Price might get to that point, but for now we have this descending trend line and this ascending trend line giving us a triangle. A breakout of the triangle might possibly give us the direction of price. Price could possibly break out to the top, or price could possibly break out to the bottom. Okay, but for now the price of US oil is ranging, and most likely direction for now is the top side. So you might consider buying US oil. Okay, this US oil on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, that's that on the 1-hour time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, what do we have? You can see that the sellers are able to push price down, but not to the low on the chart. Okay, the ascending trend line is respected, so buyers are able to push price up. Buyers were able to break this structure around here. This structure was broken here, but it ended up as a fake out, and price came to this particular structure, and price is currently going up. So you might want to wait for the range breakout. On the 15 minutes time frame, you might still want to wait for the range to break out to the top or to the bottom. Same with the 5 minutes time frame. What do we have on the 5 minutes time frame? You can see that price is currently ranging, but as price ranges, we are seeing something like a triple top or head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, and this is the head, and this is the right. This is the right shoulder forming. So as soon as we have the break of this neckline, we might expect a break of the neckline, then a retest of that neckline for price to drop. But for now, the head and shoulder pattern is still forming, and it's not complete yet on the 5 minutes time frame for US oil. Okay, still looking at US oil, we can see that price is still ranging. Okay, price is still ranging. We may want to wait for price to break out of the range before we make our decision. We want to wait for price to break out of this current range before we make our trade decision. If it breaks to the top, we might buy, and if it breaks to the bottom, we might push a sell. So that's that for US oil. Let's look at Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 has been bullish for some time, for a long period of time. Beg your pardon. It has been bullish. Okay, and we can see that the momentum, the bullish momentum, is still high. The speed at which the candles are forming to the upside is still high. So we might possibly join the buyers for Nasdaq 100. But on the 4-hour time frame, we are looking at this bearish pin bar, and this might push price to this support. And if this, I'm talking about the 13817 support here, and if that support area breaks, you might see price breaking 2 and drop into the 13769 area. And if this 13769 area fails, you might see price dropping to this particular order block. I'm talking about the 13450 area. But for now, the overall direction is bullish, so you might consider buying Nasdaq 100. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, still bullish. You can see price respecting the trend line. The trend line is being respected by price. Look at what is happening. The current 1 hour candle is also trying to form a shadow at the bottom, showing that the buyers are putting more pressure to push price up. So if price is going to go up, price might target this order block, which might serve as resistance to price. Okay, price might target this order block. I'm talking about the 13914 area. So on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see price also forming. This is a high. We have this structure around here. I'm talking about this structure, the 13837 structure. It's been broken by this candlestick. And then we also have another structure around here, 13905, being broken by this candlestick. So price of Nasdaq 100 continues to break structure. Currently, we have the last triangle, which is this structure, the 13937 area. And as soon as we have a long candle going up, it might break that structure, and the bullish trend might possibly continue. On the 15 minutes time frame, we can see something like a flag, like a bullish flag. As soon as we have a flag breakout, we might possibly buy Nasdaq 100. On the 5 minutes time frame, you can still see like a range in a channel, like a flag, and price is still trying to find direction, even as the London market is about to open. Same thing with the 1 minute time frame. Price is trying to find direction, but the overall direction for Nasdaq 100 is bullish. So that's that for today's video. If you're here to subscribe, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also click the like button if you like what you just saw. Also drop comment, ask question below the video. We try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can also click the bell button below the video for notification when we release another video, so that you get to see the notification. You can visit our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade Bitcoin, usoil, and Nasdaq 100. You can also visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.